For my next video, I'd like to do one on a screen protector called Easy Glaze, G-L-A-Z. And man, I can tell you what, when they say easy, they're not joking. This is by far the easiest screen protector I've ever applied. So I already opened it up, but here we have, it comes with two. This is for my tablet, my Samsung tablet A9 Plus, but they make it for a lot of other iPad tablets and a lot of other tablets. So I'll put a link in the description on where to purchase. So it comes with the usual stuff. So how we do this is, you really don't even need to wipe it down, but I just did it out of habit here, and I remembered that it's a one pull design. The first pull, a section of it is cleaning the display to include fingerprints, dust, whatever. The second pull is applying the glass screen protector. So this is a 9H hardness, and we'll get into the tech specs after I do the video. So just pay attention on how easy this is. You can only put it on one way. It's idiot proof. If you have it around the other direction, it won't work. So the press at the top, and then you just simply pull. And there's the section that just cleaned it. There's the section that removes it from the tablet, from the screen protector and the tablet, I guess. And next you press it to, you don't even have to really do that, it does it automatically. It's suctioning to the tablet. You take off the protective layer, and voila. I had two small bubbles that you work out real simple with the little squeegee, and that's it. I mean, that is crazy how easy, and you couldn't get that any better put on than with a set of calipers. I mean, doing it manually is the old way. It's just simply not like this. It's just amazing. I am floored by how easy this was. So let's go into some tech specs here. So this is the Easy Glaze 2-pack screen protector for Samsung, and also, of course, like I said, with for iPads. So let's do our tech specs next here. So the Easy Glaze 2-pack screen protector is for the A9 Plus. It has a 9H plus hardness, tempered glass with easy applicator tray. Scratch resistant, support, Apple Pencil, case compatible, HD clear. And again, there's several tablets that it's made for. It's mostly iPads here, but I applied it to my Samsung A9 Plus. So let's see, what else can we say about this? It's well, the dimensions depending on the item, so that's kind of irrelevant. You get two. The product includes a 2-pack specifically designed for your tablet. The screen protector provides maximum protection for the entire touchscreen surface. Easiest installation, man, I can't stress again. I know I've said it now, but I can't stress how easy that was to put on and how accurate it is. Innovative automatic positioning makes the installation effortless in seconds. Anyone can be an expert in applying the screen protector. Designed for writing and drawing, the new updated glass screen protector is the surface of more detailed grinding and processing, writing to enjoy the appropriate sense of dampening, to restore the closest to the touch of real paper. Now, I am going to stress there, it's glass. There's no coating on it. There's nothing like that. Scratch resistance. It's 9H hardness screen protector with special tempered processing. Strengthens the surface of the screen protector, making it more effectively withstanding the external scratch. High transparency. Maintains the original viewing experience. Oleophobic coating on the surface effectively prevents the smudges. That's an important thing, oleophobic coating. I actually did a video on that, on the touch feel as your screen ages. So if you're like me, you're going to automatically put a screen protector on everything. And if you're not worried about dropping it, you should put one on anyway, because the oleophobic coating, the actual coating on the glass, wears off as you continue to use your fingers on it, and it'll make it smudgy. It'll make it so it's not as smooth when you use it. So I made a video on that showing you how to restore your oleophobic coating that I'm going to put in the description, and you can watch that on how to restore it if your screen and you didn't get a screen protector and you've had your device for a while. There is a way to restore that to a certain degree. It's not going to be like the factory or a screen protector. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.